We've been working really hard over the past year to improve on our newest hydrogen educational program, H2GP SPRINT. We're looking so much forward to show you what we've come up with. We think you're gonna love it. We wanted to keep all the original elements of the Sprint car that made it such a great tool for introducing middle and high school students to concepts like engineering, hydrogen fuel cells, product design, and data analysis. But also, we made some major improvements.
We developed the new Sprint car using 3D CAD software so we could explore designs for lots of innovative features. For example, on the back of the chassis, we included grooves to help students measure their tubing without needing a ruler. Another feature we added was a small notch on the tank holder that allows students to push pins into the motor holder more easily. Plus, this version of the Sprint car has 16 different gear ratios instead of just 4. We really wanted to make Sprint as accessible and easy to build as possible while still ensuring more advanced students have the room to make their own modifications.
What's great about the latest version of Sprint is that it still includes all the teaching concepts from the last version, such as design and engineering and data analysis. And of course we've kept the focus on renewable energy, especially hydrogen. It's an incredible way for students to learn how hydrogen fuel cells work. And with our brand new CTE curriculum, it's easier than ever to integrate Sprint into your classroom.
We're really excited for everyone to get their hands on the new H2GP SPRINT, and we can't wait to see what kind of customizations you'll come up with.